In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alert on Salesforce, 5 minutes. We'll set up an email alert in Salesforce, so the right people get notified automatically when something important happens. Think of an email alert as the message, while your automation, like a flow or a workflow rule, decides when to send it. Start by logging into Salesforce. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon for settings. Choose Setup. Depending on your screen, you may see an option labeled Open Advanced Setup. Go ahead and select that to enter the full setup area. On the setup page, use the Quick Find box on the left and search for email alerts. When it appears in the results, click Email Alerts to open the list. Now click New Email Alert to start creating one. First, give your alert a clear description and unique name. Use a naming convention that helps others understand what it does at a glance, like including the object and the trigger condition. This will make ongoing maintenance much easier. Next, select the object that will trigger the alert, such as lead, opportunity, or case. The object you choose determines which records and email fields will be available later, so pick the one your automation will evaluate. Choose the email template you want to send. If you already created a template, select it here. Keep in mind that the template defines the subject line, body text, and any merge fields, so make sure it's accurate and uses only data available on the selected object. Now specify the recipient type. You can target the record owner, the record creator, specific users, roles, or an email field that lives on the record, like a contact's email. Choose the option that ensures the message reaches the right audience with minimal maintenance. You can mix and match recipient types if needed. Set the from email address. This could be an org-wide email address or a user. Pick a from address that your recipients will recognize. If you use an org-wide address, make sure it's verified and allowed to send in your org settings. Click Save to create the alert. You've defined the message, so now connect it to automation. In Flow, add a Send Email Alert action and select this alert. In a workflow rule, add an email alert as an immediate or time-based action. Be sure your criteria are specific so you don't flood inboxes. That's it. Your Salesforce email alert is ready to go. Consider testing in a safe environment first and reviewing deliverability settings to ensure emails land where they should.